about to start getting ready for my Halloween costume, and while I do that, we can chit chat about Halloween plans, my costume itself. I may or may not have went back to Starbucks because I had to go to Kroger today because I'm cooking dinner tonight, and I passed by the Starbucks and I couldn't resist a pumpkin spice latte, and I was like, it's Halloween. Halloween only comes once a year, so. Anyways, I'm gonna start touching up my makeup. First thing I'm gonna do is take off these lashes, and then I'm gonna cut them down a little bit because they were peeling up on my inner corner, so I'm gonna do that, freshen up my face, and we'll talk about what I'm gonna be. And I also wanna know what you all are gonna be and what your plans are. I'm planning on posting this Halloween night. It's Halloween day. So let me know in the comments if you're staying at home, if you have plans this weekend. But I'm gonna go ahead and start freshening up my face. So my Halloween costume is going to be Alice in Wonderland, but with the twist of being Alice in Chains, so like the band. I am an Alice in Chains fan. I just love that style of music. I've always liked it, and then I think I saw it like on Pinterest so many years ago. That was somebody's costume, and I was like, I've got to do that one year. So I was going to buy an actual costume, and then I just kept running out of time, and I was like, you know what? I don't really need to do that anyway because it's kind of a waste of money. It's like $50 for a decent costume nowadays, and I'm only gonna wear it once. And you can always sell your costumes, but I just feel like it's so much harder to do compared to anything else because obviously when you list it, you either have to list it like almost a year later, right before Halloween, or a couple months before. Like if you posted it the week after Halloween, nobody's gonna want that. So I just decided to kind of DIY it and buy accessories. I bought all of my accessories on Amazon, so I will link them. I know it's like last minute, so I don't know why anybody would want the link, but just in case. I'm pretty much just adding a little bit extra to my makeup. I have dry skin, but it just gets a little oily throughout the day. But yeah, so I didn't buy like a true costume. I'm just wearing a blue dress that I already owned. Saving some money. I have a blonde wig I'm gonna install. It's not like a lace front, it's just like a plain Amazon wig, which I've decided is like what I need to do in life because I always want to change my hair, and I am paying the price of doing that all the time. So Halloween plans, I have none. I usually, the past few years, I haven't had any Halloween plans at all. So whatever that means, I don't know. I haven't really been doing anything. I've just been staying at home and enjoying my mortgage. And yeah, I don't have any plans. We are gonna have a fun, spooky movie night. I'm gonna cook dinner. I'm gonna dress up, take some cute pictures of my costume. And that's enough for me at this age. If I lived somewhere where there were just like fun parties or something, then maybe I would do something. Going to glue these back on. Alice has like a peachy lip, so I think that's what I'm gonna go for. Like a rosy peachy color, which I know those are like two completely different colors, but like all of the photos look a little bit different, but I'm gonna go based off of this one. So let me know what your plans are or what you did for Halloween if you're watching this after. I got this cute little Snoopy sweatshirt on. I got it at Marshall's. I think it was last year or the year before. Now to like kind of make my lash line look seamless, I'm gonna go back in. Those are tonight's beverages being put in the fridge. I'm gonna go back over the lash line. I feel like I should put something under, but I don't want to. It always makes my eyes look ugly. I'm going in with this mascara to blend my real lashes with my fake ones. Just a little bit though. It's hard for me not to overline. I don't know why. That made my bottom lip look huge. I'm gonna go in with the matching lipstick. Okay, now my lips look too big on the bottom. That's okay, because we're going for a dramatic effect. I just realized I should have took my hoodie off. I usually don't put anything on my lips except like a lip mask or a tint. My face is so pale compared to my body, so I need to fix that. But I'm gonna put my wig on. I'm gonna take these hoops out. Alice does not wear hoops. Okay. How do I put this on? Like this? I already had my first trick-or-treater for the night, and probably my last. Where I live, it's just not a good trick-or-treating house. Like, I definitely understand why, like, parents don't bring their kids on this road. But it was my neighbor and her kids, who I adore. And I actually had them a special little basket for Halloween this year with a couple of goodies that I thought that they would like, because they're not big into candy. Guys, this is what I would look like with a buzz cut. If you ever convince me to get one, then I know you don't like me. Dang. Oh, the part is doing me no favors. So I may try and part it to the side. Yeah, queen, that made it worse. Okay, never mind. Okay, that actually doesn't look terrible. And I was thinking with this wig, I got it a while ago, but I could use this for so many different costumes in the future. I'm trying to find the hook. While I cook, and I have really sensitive teeth, so I'm going to use a straw. Also ignore this giant mess back here. Regular marinara. I use this brand because there's like not a bunch of preservatives, and truth be told, I just eyeball everything. And I'm gonna take my heavy whipping cream